This video will be your guide on how to transfer money from iPhone to iPhone. First is to open the Messages app on your phone and start a conversation with the person you want to send money to. Then, by tapping the Apple Pay icon, which is what you see right here, tap that just above the keyboard and enter the amount you want to send, then pay. It is pretty easy. It will have you directed right here. It will make you authenticate your phone or your Face ID, Touch ID, then there you have it. The other iPhone gets the money instantly via Apple Cash in their wallet. And that's it. Instant, secure, and right inside iMessage. Um, that make sure both devices have Apple Cash set up in wallet.